Okay, so I'm a little frustrated right now. I just saw a tweet from the Seattle Police Department that says, "You heard it here first. If your motor vehicle has a noisy exhaust system, you could be subject to a $136 fine. Officers are out conducting education and enforcement of the new law." References Seattle Municipal Code 25.08.430. And then there's a picture below it that says, "Too loud? If we can hear your vehicle from 75 feet away, you can be fined $136. So this sounds a little ridiculous to me, just kind of off the face of it. 75 feet doesn't seem very far away. So I'm a little frustrated by this, but you know what? Let's go test it. That tweet says 75 feet, but when you look up 430 on the Seattle Municipal Code, there's no reference to 75 feet. It mentions something about vehicles not being over 95 decibels. So where did this 75-foot thing come from? Measure out 75 feet. I think the train's almost gone. So here's my setup. Got audio recorder right there, measured out 75 feet from the element over there. See the orange cone? Yep, 75 feet. So let's see what it sounds like. I've got my little Zoom H1 audio recorder here. I've got it set to, let me step away actually. So I've got that sensitivity set to 100, and I'm talking at a normal level now. So let me switch over to the audio from the Zoom right now. Okay, that Zoom's listening. So, there you have it. 75 feet away. I didn't mess with that audio at all. Like I said, I got my Zoom H1 audio recorder here. I just put it to sensitivity level 100. You could hear it, sounded normal, my voice sounded normal. That 75-foot roll is so stupid. Well, that's all for my rant on the Seattle 75-foot exhaust rule. Just seems crazy. You know, I showed you the Element, which is the quietest vehicle I have. I've got two motorcycles that both have stock exhausts. They're both Yamahas. They're nice, quiet bikes. I'm sure they would have sounded louder than the Element. I had to drive out here because I've got, ironically, a lot of noise pollution right by my house because I'm right next to a highway. Which is funny. It's tire noise. The noise pollution that I have is tire noise. You are not going to solve that problem with your stupid 75-foot rule. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I do a lot of motorcycle related videos. Just did a really cool one called 24 Hours of Wobder. So go ahead and check those out.